Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android system head unit special for Chevrolet Malibu 2016 to 2020 years. Okay, you can check this box. Let me unbox review. You can check head unit with good condition. This is head unit and Campbell special harness. Special harness. Okay, let me show harness set first. Now you can check this special connector harness. Okay. You can check this AUX input left and right, and camera input with OnStar. Okay, this connector for special harness, special canvas box. Also come with this cable. This connector to canvas box and different connector. Okay, this long cable. This radio antenna. Okay. And this small speaker. This GPS antenna. This USB. Original USB. This camera adapter, camera input. Okay. This camera input. And two USB cable and the external microphone. This audio, video input, and the AUX input left and right. This audio cable, subwoofer, and AUX output left and right front rail. Okay. Okay, you can check this head unit and back. This power, fuse, GPS, this AUX audio port, radio antenna, Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, let me connect power cable. Okay, connected. Okay, the unit will restart. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, it's built-in make find reset hole. The volume, date and time, the music. Oh, it's here. It's control settings, factory control settings. This vehicle information. Okay. Let me check the settings. This Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, connected Wi-Fi, and support 4G mobile and hotspot from your phone. This PX6 chip and Android 10 system. Storage you can check 64 GB. And this apps car settings, personal settings, LED settings. You can change button color with gray, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. And it's built in YouTube. This Z-Link app for wireless Android Auto and Apple Carplay. It's built in Z-Link app work with wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This APK installer, you can install it. Z-Link. Okay, this back, this volume, and the radio. You can search the radio stations. Okay, that's all. Thank you.